We are going to be reviewing two products today. We're going to look at the Illuminated door sills and also the Tesla logo puddle lights. We want to thank TLYARD for sending these products for us to review. And these are really two inexpensive products which really help to make the car feel much more luxurious and premium. And it's super simple to install. These are illuminated door sills for the Model Y. They make this for all the other models as well, such as Model 3. So we've got here a carbon fiber print. So it comes with the front, two fronts, as well as two rears. So it's all nicely packaged here. And what they also include are some equipment. So these are spare parts here. So you got spare adhesive and spare magnets, as well as an installation kit to help you to install it, and also some instructions. So we'll have the instruction video listed below, so you can check that out in the description. The door sills come in three different styles. Comes in silver, black, and carbon fiber. We've got the carbon fiber design and it looks friggin' awesome. You can really see the detail in the print of it. And the product itself just feels really premium. It's high quality, it's solid plastic, it's not flimsy and it doesn't bend. So you can really tell that a lot of effort has gone into the production of these door sills. Now, the installation process is really straightforward. It probably took about half an hour to install all four door sills around the car. So we coupled this install with the Tesla puddle lights. Now, it's a really simple install. Probably took like just 5 minutes. Okay, there is one issue with the Tesla puddle lights when you install it. So because these are frameless windows, when I open the door, you know that the windows will drop down a bit, just like this. All right. When you remove the harness for the original puddle light, this window will go back up. It triggers the manual release, which means you have to be super careful not to close the door, because this window will damage the trim and you will pretty much shatter the window as well. So that's just something that you have to be super duper careful about. But like I said, it is a super straightforward install. These are the magnets I was talking about, and you can see that it also comes with a clear circular plastic film which goes over it just to give it a bit of extra adhesion. Thanks very much for watching, guys. So two products, and we really like these products. Super inexpensive, costs less than 200 bucks if you were to get these, and it really just amps up the feel of the car as well. Thanks for watching. Cheers.